Good morning, everyone. It's Daniel with Dadtography.com, and today is cruise day. It's early in the morning today is spring forward day, so it's March 8th. We're up early. We're getting ready to leave to drive to Miami to go on a cruise. It's our first ever cruise with MSC Cruise Lines, and we cannot wait. Gonna have to cut this short because we have to jump in the car right now, and it's been a very busy morning. I'll show you some of what we've been dealing with, but we'll see you in a little bit in Miami for our first MSC cruise. Coming, let's go. Yours,
yeah, and I should.
You ready? You sure? Excited?
Oh, I'll get smarter as time goes on.
Ready to see some ships? Say that 3 times fast.
I sincerely pray.
I see some ships.
Where? Where? They're straight ahead. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Right over there. I see a Royal Caribbean ship. Look for the floating building. Ours is after the Royal Caribbean one. You see it yet?
Yeah, look.
You see it yet?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Small or big?
Big.
There's the version they're planning on.
It's bigger than 2 buildings. Smashed on the ground.
There it is.
That's the one.
This one?
Yeah, right there.
I'm looking at it.
Looking at it. Looks pretty nice.
I've got this hat that I brought with
It's so tiny. What do you think of that tiny ship?
It's a big ship, and you're acting.
Oh,
Acting?
cute.
I'm an actor.
Nice. That's from them. That's from down the main.
You coming?
We'll have to dump yours when we get in. There you go. Put it on.
There we go. That's ours. It's chilly.
Yeah.
Chilly in Miami. Terminal F. Let's do it. Is Terminal F better than Terminal A? Get it? Yacht Club. Ooh. There's the Yacht Club. Are you in the Yacht Club? Say not yet. Not yet, right? Not yet. Let's see you, Mr. Redhead. Hair looks red. Is it a red ball? Checking in time.
Right down this way, please. Pick up a health form at the blue table.
You getting excited yet? Are you?
You still got it?
Okay. Why? You're no fun. You're no fun.
If you have any more questions, go right here and read up on it.
Okay.
All right?
Great. Thank
That
you.
being said,
Oh, it says it's still leaky.
There's that.
good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Welcome aboard, man.
Thank you.
Take care.
Get your bag.
Here, sir.
Put your bag on.
So room, eat, guest services.
Yes, please. Ready to eat?
Yeah.
They should all be silver.
Man, come on. Come on, man.
Wait, mine's not silver. Let me see.
Come on.
It is silver. I'm jealous.
I want a silver card.
Huh?
I want a silver card.
I have the email that confirms that.
I
we have
don't.
to-
Yeah. Yours should be silver too.
Go this way. This way?
Oh,
This way.
This is silver card?
are we Aria or no?
Or Fantasia.
What? Fantasia?
No, fantastic.
Fantastico. Fantastico. Right?
Oh, where's your silver? Did not know that. Choo-choo.
Choo choo.
So, honey, you're gonna go over to the right. The nurse is going to take your temperature, okay? Mommy and daddy are gonna get inside of the box. You're gonna go see
Okay.
the nurse just to take your temperature, okay?
Make sure you're not sick.
Nurse, we got a kid. We have a child.
That's
Yeah. Good luck, gentlemen.
Thank you.
So they want to make sure you're not sick before you get on the boat. That's it.
Everybody else sick. Right?
What?
I woke up hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Okay. Me too. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? I see it. Do you see it? So you got our picture taken? No.
Yeah, whatever. All right, welcome.
We got plenty of cameras.
Thank you.
A lot of cameras. Know where you're going, Mom?
You?
No? Looks like we got to go down and up, maybe? Ethan, you know where we're going?
MSC
This way. I see an escalator.
to ship.
What'd you say?
To ship.
How do you spell that?
S-H-I-P.
Okay, just checking. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Your mom was the first one to get off.
There it is. That's a big ship.
Big thing.
Is it a boat or a ship?
A ship.
Ship. I'm gonna walk over here. Cool. Oh, it's tall. I can't see the top. It's my favorite part, Ethan.
Top.
Is this your favorite part?
Oh.
Walking on for the very first time?
Yep.
Yeah.
I wonder how much food will be at that buffet.
Yeah. You can't wait?
Yep.
Yeah.
What was that?
We got a balcony too, just like them. Wonder what side we're on.
We're on that side. I can't wait anymore after.
I don't know what that means. Straight.
Oh. 1, 2, here.
You want me to carry mine? Seems to be causing confusion. Right, Ethan?
Mhm.
Is yours silver?
Mhm.
Are you fancy?
No, that's how I feel.
Say bye, ship. We'll see you in a few.
Bye, ship. We'll see you in a few.
Brought my whistle, forgot it.
It's so easy without suitcases. Right, Ethan? Best part. Best part. There's the front of the ship. We actually went down a little bit from the port.
Yeah.
From the terminal. Here it is, your grand entrance. The grand
You're
entrance.
joking.
I'm not joking.
I mean the grand entrance.
Grand entrance.
I thought you said grandparents.
Not grand entrance.
Oh.
Literally. We made it. We made it. We made it.
For you over there. For your safety. Hi, buddy. There we go.
Drinks
And I got a safety present.
Drinks package.
Drink more, pay less. Promotion of the day.
Don't fall in. You see any dolphins?
I see a fish.